The UPSC civil service results of 2019 were announced just a few days back. And guess who made it to the coveted list? Well, to everyone's surprise, it is the former Miss India finalist Aishwarya Sheoran. And she's not just cleared it, she secured the ranking of 93. So we thought, let's catch up with this beauty with brains and find out how does she actually do it all. We're now joined by Aishwarya on this broadcast. Good morning, Aishwarya. Thanks so much for speaking with NDTV. Many congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you so much, Sonalji. Thank you for having me on your morning show. I'm doing great. All the love and affection that I'm getting throughout the country, it's really, it's an honor for me.
Right. You know, your journey, Aishwarya, from the modeling ramp to the top rank, from being a model to a role model, has left so many inspired. I want to understand from you, how do you do it all really? And which of these two? Is one a passion, another a chance, or how did it go?
Sonalji, modeling happened because my mother named me Aishwarya after Aishwarya Rai. She wanted me to participate in the Miss India pageant. And in my college time, when I got the opportunity, I went for the Miss India competition. And there, when the industry experts, when they saw me, when they liked me, I started getting modeling projects. I tried to balance modeling and my studies in college. And one after the other, the projects came coming in, and I did whatever I could, balancing my studies alongside. But that was it for me. It was never a career option. It was always like a hobby for me.
Well, you seem like the perfect daughter then, fulfilling your parents' dream and following your own heart as well. I don't know how you balance it out, especially in today's age when there are so many distractions. How did you prepare for the exam? And is this your first attempt?
Ma'am, I believe that civil services is one examination which requires you to plan for a very long period of time. 1 year of preparation, at least, and then another year of the exam itself. So it's better to strategize in a way that you don't burn out right in the initial months. So my personal plan was to maintain a right balance of physical and mental health, and strategize my studies in a way that, I can carry it throughout the journey. So for me, 10 plus 8 plus 6 formula really worked. I used to study for 10 hours and then 8 hours of sleep and 6 hours devoted to everything else that I wanted to do. So I think this balance really worked for me.
Wow, that's quite a schedule and a very pageant-worthy answer, I must say, that you're giving us. It's great to see, youngsters like you actually taking the country forward. When people like you step into the shoes of civil services and get into positions like these, what is it that you're hoping to bring to the country? What is the future that you envision for the country?
Ma'am, I feel that as a civil servant, Constitution is the most sacred book for me, and fulfilling my duties, putting my service before myself, is what the public should expect from me. And when we talk about the future in general, I think the future is she. 21st century is all about century of the women. I think women are stepping out of the four walls of their homes and they are exploring multiple fields. And I think the society should embrace it. So if they see my journey from modeling and doing all sort of activities and also good in studies, I think it should give an inspiration to all those parents to allow that freedom of choice to their daughters, to their wives, to their mothers. I think that's very important for a lady.
Well, brilliant answer over there, and double thumbs up from NDTV for everything, your approach to life and everything else that you're doing. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for speaking with NDTV. So that is now the former pageant holder and now civil servant. Who would have thought about that?